Hello to you all. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto. So airdrops are a great way to grab free crypto. Plus, there are a few different types of airdrops as well. Let's get started. So a crypto airdrop is what it sounds like. In a crypto airdrop, a crypto project gives its users free cryptocurrency. In each case, the result is the same. The cryptocurrency investor gets some cryptocurrency tokens, generally for free or in exchange for completing a simple job. When an airdrop is initiated, there is a good chance that cryptocurrency users who often utilize new and established platforms may get an airdrop. Companies and developers based on the blockchain give out free coins as part of a marketing effort. Sending fresh tokens to as many wallet addresses as possible is the primary goal, with the expectation that recipients would be more eager to participate with the relevant project, even if it's just to discover how they may exchange the free tokens for something else. Think of it like a free gift voucher in the mail to get you in the door at a new shop in your neighborhood. The purpose of a cryptocurrency airdrop is not to make the receiver spend money, but to promote knowledge of new projects and programs that may be of interest to the recipient. But like I was saying, users often receive a crypto airdrop in return for performing some sort of assignment. Following a social media account is a common example of this activity. A post, with or without hashtags, is shared or retweeted. The act of exchanging money by using a certain cryptocurrency wallet or platform. Making an account with them and subscribing to notifications. There are also other times when a cryptocurrency airdrop might be provided to users without them having to do anything. So the purpose of crypto airdrops is promoting a blockchain startup, initiative, or service is the primary goal of a crypto airdrop. As soon as the tokens are issued, the project's community will get an equal share of the tokens. Furthermore, token holders are encouraged to spread the word about the project once the token is traded on an exchange. Price increases are more likely if more people are interested in the token. Promoting airdrops on a developer's website, cryptocurrency forums, and social media is a common way to generate attention, and users will never be asked to invest in a legitimate crypto airdrop. So what kind of airdrops are there, you might ask? Well, here are the 4 most common airdrops you'll encounter: standard airdrops, bounty airdrops, exclusive airdrops, and holder airdrops. In a typical standard cryptocurrency airdrop, a token or coin of the native currency is deposited into an existing wallet. More often than not, it's done during an ICO to raise awareness about the brand and attract investors to purchase the asset. After signing up for the new project, all you have to do is enter in the address of your wallet during the payout period. Now, bounty airdrops are another marketing tactic, but in order to obtain the digital asset, people must participate in some sort of promotional activity. These might include, for example, using social media to spread the word regarding the project, becoming a member of the project's mailing list, participating in the project by joining a discussion thread. Although it takes a little more effort to participate in a bounty airdrop compared to an ordinary airdrop, the activities involved are typically not too difficult. So in order to get an exclusive airdrop, you must be a follower of a certain airdrop aggregation. These third-party websites provide information about impending airdrops and interesting crypto projects. A holder airdrop is what it sounds like. If you hold some other cryptocurrency in your wallet, you may be eligible for a holder airdrop. Most crypto projects take a snapshot of cryptocurrency holdings and then allow consumers to receive an airdrop because they have crypto in their wallets for a certain amount of time. Now, one thing is it might be difficult to confirm that you're qualified for future crypto airdrops because they are primarily aimed for marketing and promotion purposes. Each airdrop has its own set of eligibility criteria. However, most of them can be found online. When an airdrop is based on a blockchain snapshot, qualifying might be problematic. Then, there are a number of alternative avenues to pursue. It's much like registering for promos from a business where you often shop if you use a website devoted to crypto airdrops and you'll generally get an email notification. You can check if anything fresh has been posted using the hashtag #airdrop on social media. Be a frequent consumer of their various services, products, platforms, and blockchains. Look for references of a recent or forthcoming airdrop in crypto forums and news sources. To be eligible for crypto airdrops, you must first have a crypto wallet with funds in it. An airdrop cannot be claimed or received without a wallet address. Airdrops cannot be sent to an exchange address, despite how convenient it is. As an alternative, customers should investigate the many wallet alternatives available for storing their Bitcoin holdings. Using MetaMask as a wallet is a common choice. Finding crypto airdrops may be accomplished in a number of ways. Consistently monitoring the internet for new crypto airdrops, subscribing to an airdrop aggregator and taking use of their special airdrops. Sign up for additional platforms in order to benefit of any airdrops they have available, keeping an eye on new projects in order to get ready for bounty airdrops of rewards. What matters most in reaping the benefits of an airdrop is keeping up with the latest developments and seizing the opportunity when it presents itself. Crypto airdrops have both advantages and disadvantages. Airdrops of crypto coins may be a way to increase your cryptocurrency holdings without having to spend any money. They may also be able to assist you get in early on a new venture. However, the value of airdrop assets might be zero. Even if you find and claim airdrops, the value of the coin you were given may decline before you get the opportunity to sell it. In addition to this, there is the danger of entrusting your money or personal information to an untrustworthy site. And sometimes, there are airdrops that are pretty much a pump and dump operation because users get free money to their wallets. To put it more properly, the inventor creates a token and expects that enough interest will be generated to get it listed to a trading platform. Because of the inventor selling a large number of tokens once they are traded, the price crashes. But airdrop scams are a real threat if you're going to participate in them. Among these are false airdrops and fake key scams. When scammers attempt to get their hands upon your funds or private key in order to provide you a token airdrop. Remember that you should never share the private key or link one's wallet to an unknown source. Scammers may even airdrop a bogus coin to your wallet, so you won't realize you've been scammed until you can't sell or trade it for whatever you've earned. It's also important to note that because airdrops are deemed income by the US IRS, you'll have to pay taxes on any free tokens you receive, regardless of whether you requested the airdrop. If a platform airdrops cryptocurrency into your wallet, you're likely to be taxed on the profits. Normal income taxation is often applied to airdrops when they are received at their market value. Longer or shorter-term capital gains may be owed on the value on the airdrop asset if you decide to sell it. But before claiming an airdrop, perform some research about the project's leadership, its public documents, and other investors' opinions. And if you're a crypto fan who likes to stay on top of the latest developments and actively maintains your account on a regular basis, airdrops may be worth your time. Crypto airdrops are a terrific method to grow your cryptocurrency holdings without having to use any of your hard-earned cash to fund it. Well, I hope you were able to learn some things about airdrops and enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more ways to make that crypto cash.